The phone you're looking at is an upcoming rugged phone from IIIF150. It's called the IIIF150 AIR1 Ultra Plus. It's going to be succeeding the AIR1 Ultra, and yeah, this is a very good looking rugged phone, guys. I mean, look at the back. This is the back. The module at the back contains a multicolor ring, 2 cameras, etc. And the phone also appears to have a hole punch display. Let me see if I could get more details about this new upcoming rugged phone. So according to what I'm seeing here, the device will be rated IP68 and IP69K. It will be military standard H10G compliant. It's going to support 33 watts fast charging. The refresh rate is going to be 120 Hz. 2 rear cameras, like I said earlier. It doesn't support wireless charging. It supports NFC. There's also fingerprint scanner and face unlock. It has a Type-C port, a single front camera. It doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack. It might support fast charging. It has a full view display. The main rear camera is a 64 megapixel camera. The front camera is a 32 megapixel camera. The battery capacity is 7000 mAh. CPU model is MediaTek, and the display resolution is Full HD Plus. It has a non-removable battery. It supports dual SIM. The display size is 6.8 inches. Like I mentioned earlier, the resolution is Full HD Plus, and the refresh rate is 120 Hz. As you can see, the brand name IIIF150. Android operating system, I think it's going to be Android 12. So the RAM is 12 gigabytes, very impressive. The ROM is 256 GB. It's going to be powered by the Helio G99. It also supports NFC, FM radio, and OTG. Alongside the 64 megapixel camera, okay, apparently the other camera is a 24 megapixel night vision camera. Very good. Oh yes, the Android version is Android 12. It's going to weigh 289 grams. It's going to be 11.8 millimeter thick. Here it states that it supports military standard H10H, but here it states that it also supports military standard H10G. Which of the two is correct? Which is correct? Is it H10H compliant or H10G compliant? We just have to wait for IIIF to officially release the phone for us to know its full and true specs, because these specs might not be entirely correct. I'll be checking the brand's official website to see if I could get the correct details there or any details at all. I'd like to hear your thoughts about this upcoming mid-range rugged phone, so make sure to share them in the comment section. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.